Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Minecraft on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, open App Store. Once it is open, click on bottom right search button. Then search for Minecraft. Then click on the official Minecraft game. As you know that Minecraft is a paid game. Its price is different in different countries and regions. After this, click on this button to download the game. Now you have to proceed the payment method. Make sure that you have added the payment method. Then double click on the power button to pay. After this, your Minecraft will start downloading. I haven't added a payment method, that's why it is not downloading in my mobile. And that's how you download Minecraft in iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.